Leche. Well, it's a quesadilla inspired, but we're using condensed milk, so it's a dessert-like snack. So this is so good. It's a quesadilla, but with milk. So let's start. Here we got some mozzarella cheese, and of course, Eden cheese, the just regular cheese, some butter, and yes, the pan. Let's not forget the condensed milk. Yes, a start. Here we melt the butter, a few strips of butter. Put the quesadilla or the soft taco wrap on the pan before we turn on the heat. Yes, now we grate some mozzarella cheese. The sound you hear is my maid actually giving, washing up eggs. See, so it's just the power spray. It's not really the stove, it's the off. So we grate some mozzarella cheese. So it's all good. You can grate some more, but the problem with going too much is it's gonna squeeze out. It's gonna create a mess. So we just do just the right amount, as seen here. A bit more. Yes. Okay. Next up, well, we spread this out evenly first. Yep. There you go. Next up is the regular cheese. Regular Eden cheese is available locally. So we scrape this. So it's always good to have half of it being mozzarella, the other half Eden cheese. So it's gonna be so good. Yep, and that's about it. Now we add a few dollops of condensed milk. Like you can add more, just like I said earlier, but it's gonna squeeze it out. It's gonna create mess. Turn on the stove, low to medium heat. We cover it so it helps melt out the cheese. A minute later, oh yeah, it's melting. You see it's melting? Oh yeah. Now we flip this so you fold it in half. Oh yeah, look at that. You press it to make sure it's all squeezed in like like typical quesadilla. Yes, so good. Yeah. So now we flip this. Okay, yeah. We lower the heat, now it's on low heat. Yeah, because the medium heat is okay, but I don't want to rush myself, so this is perfect. Yep, all of that. Let me show you. Yeah. All right. I did about 3 pieces of them, or 4 actually, and cut them off. And look at that. That mozzarella cheese is just perfect, right? And just the right amount of condensed milk. This is so good. Everyone finished it up. Yep. So I had to make a bit more at night. This is with the smaller, like wrap, or tortilla wrap, the smaller one. Now here, I'm gonna make 2 for me and 2 for my brother. So this is a smaller one. Let me show you. This the I showed the earlier one was a quick way you do it in the pan, but this is better and easier. It just takes a bit more time. So if you're gonna do it for breakfast, this way or this approach is really perfect. That's mozzarella cheese. Get some more. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Yep. And then Eden cheese. Well, this one is the Magnolia cheese, but it's pretty much the same. It's both local. Oh, sorry, that was still mozzarella, and here's Magnolia cheese. Yep, we can put a bit more of this because it doesn't really melt as much as the mozzarella, but it's just perfect for the taste because it's a little bit more savory than the mozzarella. So it's perfect with the condensed milk. Next up, yeah, it's condensed milk. We pour it slowly. We just put this amount is just perfect. You can actually add more if you feel like, but this is okay for us. Yes, just that's about it. All right. Now we fold this. I'll give this more cheese, the mozzarella. Yep, yum. Okay, let's make this, get this in order. Yeah, we fold this nicely. This way we can fry it good like this. So you can see that. Yep. Now spread this out evenly. Yes. Now we fold it again and press a bit. Now we set this aside. Then we'll make another one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Right? Next up is another one. Then again, mozzarella cheese first. Get some more of it. It's gonna be so so good. This is something that you guys gotta try. It's really really simple and so easy. Your kids and everyone at home will definitely love this. All right, here we go. It's a good amount right there. Next up, yep, we continue. And this time we just go straight with the condensed milk. This won't have Eden cheese. I just want to see the difference of the taste. But I know with the Eden cheese, it's just perfect. It adds a bit of saltiness to the sweetness of the condensed milk. Now here, let's put this out in the middle. Now we turn it, we flip it, we fold it. Sorry, I press it. Yep. Now I'm gonna make two more so that me and my brother have two each. Then let's go to the pan. Here we are. Now we melt the butter first. You put probably like a half a spoon of butter. You don't need a lot of butter. It's just gonna help the quesadilla taste really good. It's already a non-stick pan, so it's still fine. There you go. It's all melted good. Yeah. Okay. Now we can put two each to save time. Here, the folded half. This one. So this is technically for me, and the next batch is for my brother. It doesn't take even a minute to get it all ready. Like in less than a minute. Here, we're gonna flip it, and I'll show you. Oh, there, perfect. If you want it a bit more toasted or toasty, then take a bit more than a minute, but this is perfect for me. Yep. And right under a minute, before a minute, here we go. We remove it. It's all ready. It's all good. Oh yeah. This is for me. Look at that. Next one is for my brother, and we'll melt half a spoon of butter again, just to make sure the flavors are all good in there. You're free to actually sprinkle a bit of cinnamon powder on the quesadilla. It's gonna be really good because with the condensed milk it's gonna be perfect. But we just did it like this, really simple. Okay, there one that's folded, and the other one. That's why I chose a smaller, tortilla wrap. So you can fold. There's gonna be two each batch. Turn it. Oh yeah, perfect. With low heat, that's just perfect. Turn this. Yeah. Oh yeah, looks really really good. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, and now under a minute. Now it's time. Yeah, let's get it. Ooh, oh wait. Flip it. Yeah, there. And then I'm gonna cut this into slices, like small pizza slices. Let's go. I'm hungry. Here it is. Oh, would you look at that? This is so so good. You guys gotta try this. It's so easy. And having this for breakfast, that's perfect, right? Let me split this in half. I'm gonna have this now. Yeah. Oh, so good. Let me get another one. You can also click here for the other good stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is so so delicious. You gotta try it, guys. Yep, it's good for anytime snack. Thanks for watching and subscribe. This way you can check all the other good stuff here. Alright? Yeah.